news. This is coming in from the national capital. This regarding the Delhi water crisis, which is unfortunately only deepening. The Supreme Court now has pulled up the Delhi government, in fact, which was asking to file an affidavit stating that measures it has taken to control the wastage of water. In fact, it has been lambasted by the Supreme Court, which goes on to tell the Aam Aadmi Party government that the government can't deal with the tanker mafia. They will have to ask the police to take action. Let me go across to Priyank Tripathi, who is joining us from the police headquarters. Priyank, what happened in the courtroom today? I believe the Aam Aadmi Party, which so far has been blaming other states for not releasing adequate amount of water, today has been pulled up for their inability to take action against the water mafia?
On the Delhi government that we were unable to control the situation because repeatedly or through media platforms, print media or electronic media, it is quite clear that there is scarcity of the water which is being seen by the apex court. The court has said that if you're not able to control the situation of the water mafia, then certainly we will have to tell it to the Delhi police to take further action. That's why the BJP delegation also came here, and they have given a complaint to the Delhi Police Commissioner to take action regarding this. What the Bharatiya Janata Party is also saying after the thing which has come up in the apex court, that there is a need to take control of the situation, because they have also given some evidence to the Delhi police, and that has been the basis on which the court has also taken this particular matter. So Supreme Court taking the stock of the situation, where the court has come out very harshly on the Delhi government official, is one of the important factor. Viren Sachdeva, the BJP's state president, is here. He has interacted with us, but what they have been saying that we have given a complaint, now it's all for the Delhi police to take action in this particular issue, because time and again what the BJP has been. Mr. Sachdeva sir, आप पुलिस कमिश्नर साहब को अपने कंप्लेन दिया है, काफी ज्यादा तस्वीरों को देख करके कोर्ट ने भी संज्ञान लिया, कोर्ट ने कहा है आप नहीं कर पाते, हम दिल्ली पुलिस को कहेंगे।
देखिए माननीय, अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने संज्ञान लिया उसका हम स्वागत करते हैं। हमारा कंसर्न सिर्फ इतना है कि दिल्ली अगर एक एक बूंद पानी के लिए तरस रही है, तो आम आदमी पार्टी का जो भ्रष्ट प्रशासन है, अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार और जल बोर्ड के अधिकारी इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है, उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
इनकी फाइलें तक पास नहीं हो पा रही, सीएम है ही नहीं, अथॉरिटी नहीं है इनके पास।
तो अब ये तो इनको सोचना है ना कि इनको जेल से सरकार चलानी है, दिल्ली की जनता करनी है, या इनको शीश महल से प्यार है जिसको छोड़ना नहीं चाहते। तो दिल्ली की फिक्र इनको नहीं है, सिर्फ अपनी जेबें भरना चाहते हैं।
You heard from Viren Sachdeva, the BJP has been saying that since the CM is already not here, then how is it possible that they will be, the Delhi government will be able to function? And that issue will certainly be raised in the next hearing whenever it comes before the apex court, that the CM being the authority, being not there on, doing his day-to-day job, it is certainly affecting the nature of the supply of water, and the connivance of water mafia is something on which the BJP has also hinted down.
Absolutely. You're absolutely right. This is something, in fact, which has come up in the previous hearings as well, where the allegation is that the Chief Minister is sitting in jail, which is why Delhi is now suffering due to lack of administration. In fact, similar attacks have been coming in from the BJP as well.